When we were in Chapala, we were intrigued by a little-known Pacific coastal town in the state of Oaxaca called Mazunte. And it's one of Mexico's mini Pueblo Magicos. So of course we had to go and explore.
So, let's go!
Salud. So, let's go. Maybe you should leave the speaking to me.
We made it to Mazunte, which we used as a base. From here we travelled to some awesome towns, which can be reached by either taxi or cheap collectivo, which is basically a pickup or an Aussie ute, with a canvas roof and wooden seats. The beach attracts swimmers to the southern and northern ends, with surfers in the middle. The well-kept and clean streets are mostly paved and have sidewalks, as with most parts shoes are optional. This hippie alternative place has great food options, from wood-fired pizza to the fresh and wholesome organic. A place where time has no meaning. San Agustinillo is a short road walk from Mazunte. Facing the open ocean, waves can be high and caution is advised. As with many of the beaches, kayak rental and boat ride vendors exist. Traditionally, fishermen here made a living by hunting sea turtles until it was banned in the 1990s. Puerto Angel, this sleepy fishing village with its food and fish market somewhat escapes the tourist haven. A nice walkway around the rocks lets you view the pier and the beach. Less beachside palapa restaurants and hotels than the other beaches. ZIPOLITE, a paradise for surfers. Rustic boutique hotels and nightlife, boasting the only legal nudist beach in Mexico. More built up than Mazunte, but still a chill-out bohemian atmosphere. Punta Cometa is a small peninsula that extends out into the Pacific Ocean. The 20-minute hike along a rocky and in parts steep trail is best done just before sunset to capture all the vistas towards Mazunte.